So solving limits was one of my biggest problems heading into the AP test. So I had to rewatch all those videos and do a lot of practice on that. And I feel like I've mastered it. So here's my video on solving limits. Whenever you see a limit, first thing you try to do is just simply plug limit in. And simply just going to be 3 times 3 plus 24 about 11. That's 33 divided by 11. So your limit as f of x approaches 3 is 3. Simply just plugging it in. Just plugging in that x value into the original equation. Now, if you can't plug into the x value because you're going to get a 0 on the bottom and you can't do that, it's like I said, it's to factor. So we have x minus 4, so it'd be x plus 2, x minus 2 over x minus 2. So the x minus 2's cancel. Now you can go back to step 1 and plug this in here. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. So your limit as f of x approaches 2 is 4. Pretty much simple. Still some pretty easy stuff. If all else fails, you gotta do the conjugate, which is not fun and it's very time consuming. You can't factor this, and you can't just plug it in because you get the 0 at the bottom. So you gotta take the conjugate. So times 3x plus 5. You gotta do the top, you gotta do the bottom. So 3x plus 5. So that's gonna be equal to 9x squared plus 15x minus 15x minus 25 over 3x squared plus 5x minus 15x minus 25. So we got all this now. So I can see these minus 25's cancel, minus 15's cancel. So I'm left with 9x squared plus 15x over 3x squared plus 5x. So now I'm just going to go ahead and plug this in. Plug that 5 into here. 9 times 125 plus 5 times 5 is 25. 75. No, never mind, that's 5 times 5 is 25. My bad. And then 3 times 25 plus 25. So this right here is, simplifying this, is going to be 45, 225 plus 75 over 75 plus 25. It's going to be equal to 300 divided by 100. Therefore, your limit is 3 using the conjugate method. So therefore, your limit as f of x approaches 5 is going to be, using the conjugate method, going to just be 3. And that's how I learned how to solve my limits going into the AP exam.